Let's learn how to recover your cars with web push notifications. Just before we start, let's go to presentation, which I already showed in other videos. It's basically a strategy where we are going to send web pushes and emails, which are cheaper channels first, and then SMS messages afterwards, mainly because SMS messages are slightly more expensive. And by applying such strategy, you definitely will get way much better return of investment, and you will increase your conversion rate significantly. So it's very easy to do. The only thing what you have to do is to activate these messages and set right timings. How to do that? Let's go back to our dashboard, click over here and choose web pushes. So you will be redirected to all cart messages we have for web push notifications. We have 3 messages in total. So first thing what you have to do is just scroll a bit down and choose right timing. So first message will go after, let's say, 30 minutes. Second message will go after 6 hours. And then SMS messages, in parallel will go after 8 hours. So you leave a small gap for your customers to buy. If they didn't buy, then you send another message via another channel. And the last message will go, let's say, after 23 hours. All right. When you're done, you can also apply a discount code strategy. Discount codes can be applied on every message or only on the last message. It really depends on strategy you have, but basically it's very simple to do. Just copy paste discount code from your Shopify discount code section. So for example, 5% off, make sure that code is valid. And then, system automatically will send those codes. And as soon customer clicks on a push, he will be redirected to your store's cart page, where your customer will start seeing countdown, which looks like that. So that countdown will allow your customer to copy code and will create an urgency atmosphere. So he sees that there is a code and he has 10 minutes to buy. So as soon as he clicks copy code, that code automatically will be applied during checkout process. So it's very useful and helpful for your customer. If you decide to use discount codes, another thing what you should do is to mention that discount code inside your message. So it could be like inside call to action button. Instead of checkout, you can say claim 5% off within 20 minutes. So you're basically creating an urgency atmosphere, and you're telling your customer that there is a discount code behind this push notification. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us. We are here all the time, and talk to you soon. Cheers.